Are you looking to take the hard work out of tilling your garden? In today's video, we're diving into the best cordless tillers and cultivators on the market. Whether you're a gardening pro or just getting started, this list will help you find the perfect tool for the job. Stick around to find out which one makes it to the top. Coming in at number 5 is the Earthwise Power Tools by Alloyman TC700201T. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a simple and portable option for small garden tasks. While it's not the most powerful tiller out there, it certainly has its perks. This model features a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and an adjustable handle for added comfort during use. With a 7.5-inch tilling width and a 6-inch depth, it's perfect for lighter gardening duties. It also boasts a quick 90-minute charge time, which is pretty convenient when you're on a tight schedule. Plus, it's lightweight, weighing just 5.5 pounds, so it's easier on the arms compared to bulkier models. However, if you have a large garden or need to work with tough, compact soil, this tiller might fall short. Its narrow tilling width and lighter power output mean you'll be doing more passes for bigger areas, which could be time-consuming. The battery life might also be a struggle with prolonged use, especially on tougher tasks. If you're working in a smaller garden and don't mind doing a bit more work, this could be a solid option. For larger tasks though, you might want to stick around and see what other options we have. And by the way, links to all the products mentioned are available at the best prices down in the description below. Next up, we have the MZK ET1401, which takes the 4th spot. This tiller is a great option for those looking for something lightweight, portable, and fairly effective for medium-sized garden tasks. While it doesn't have the power of some of the bigger models, it still delivers impressive results for light-duty tilling. One of the standout features here is the 24 steel tines that provide an efficient tilling experience. The 7.8-inch width is slightly narrower than some others, but it does the job well for smaller to mid-sized gardens. It's also relatively lightweight at 6.44 pounds, so it's easy to maneuver around flower beds and garden patches. Plus, it includes a 2 amp-hour battery and a charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The downside here is that it's not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. While it's great for light-duty work, the battery life may require you to recharge during longer sessions, and it might struggle with larger, tougher gardens. The narrow width also means you'll have to make a few extra passes for larger areas, which can slow you down. If you're just getting started with gardening or need something for your small to medium garden, the MZK ET1401 could be a great fit. But if you need something for more intensive work, there might be a better option coming up soon. And hey, if you're enjoying this review, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews like this. Coming in at number 3 is the Man AJG-HS02 Cordless Tiller Cultivator. This one lands in the middle of our list with a nice balance of power and performance. If you're looking for a mid-range tool that's more powerful than the smaller models, but not as heavy as the more professional ones, this could be the perfect choice for you. It comes with a 20-volt battery and 2 amp-hour lithium polymer batteries that can ensure you get through several sessions of light to medium duty work. The 9-inch tilling width is decent for smaller gardens, and it's got a good 6.6-inch depth, allowing you to break up soil without too much effort. The tiller also runs at a solid 360 RPM, making it efficient for typical gardening tasks. However, it does have its drawbacks. At 14.62 pounds, it's a bit on the heavier side compared to lighter models, which might make extended use a little tiring. It also has a limited tilling width, meaning you may need to make more passes to cover larger areas. And although it's versatile, it's not ideal for tougher or rocky soils. This tiller is great for anyone working in smaller gardens or areas where a lighter tool is needed but still wants more power than the entry-level options. It's a solid choice for home gardeners who need a little extra strength for their weekend projects. Let's see what comes next. At number 2, we've got the TaskStar TU5000 Cordless Electric Tiller. And let me tell you, this is where things start to get serious. If you need a powerful, reliable tiller for medium to large gardens, this one's going to impress you. With a brushless motor and a solid battery setup, it's designed to make light work of your tilling tasks. The 14-inch tilling width is ideal for larger plots, and the 9-inch depth allows you to break through tough soil with ease. The 16 steel tines ensure that it's durable and efficient. With 2 5000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, you can get up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is quite a bit for a cordless tiller. Plus, it offers 4-position gear adjustment, giving you flexibility depending on the task at hand. However, the 40-minute battery life might feel limiting for larger gardens, especially if you're tilling larger patches of soil. Also, the charging time is a bit longer, taking you 2.5 to 3 hours to fully recharge. But these are minor drawbacks compared to the overall power and performance that this tiller offers. If you're tackling a medium to large garden and need a powerful, versatile tool, the TaskStar TU5000 is an excellent choice. It's got the right balance of power and features for those who need to get more done in less time. Let's take a look at the top pick. Finally, the top spot goes to the Maxlander SF8G601. This model shines with its combination of power, efficiency, and design. It's the best option for anyone who wants a versatile tool for larger gardens but doesn't want to deal with the hassle of cords. It's packed with 40 volts of power, which is one of the highest voltage ratings on this list. With a 12-inch tilling width and an 8-inch depth, this tiller is perfect for covering more ground in less time. It's equipped with a brushless motor that runs at 280 RPM, giving you smoother and more reliable performance compared to others. Plus, the two 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries ensure that you get longer, more consistent runtime, which is ideal for bigger gardens or longer tasks. The folding handle makes it easy to store, and the compact design is user-friendly, reducing fatigue during extended use. The Maxlander SF8G601 truly stands out for its powerful 40-volt battery, making it ideal for larger areas. With the 12-inch tilling width and 8-inch depth, you can cover more ground faster and with better efficiency. The brushless motor ensures longevity and consistent performance, and the long-lasting battery helps reduce the frequency of recharges. One minor downside is its weight, as it is a bit heavier than some other models. However, the overall performance makes up for it, and the folding handle is a huge plus for convenient storage. Overall, the Maxlander SF8G601 is the best option for anyone needing a powerful, efficient tiller that can handle larger areas and tougher soil with ease. If you're looking for top-notch performance and a solid investment for your garden, this is your pick. Here's the final ranking of the top cordless tillers and cultivators based on power, features, ease of use, and overall performance. Number 1. Maxlander SF8G601. Best all round with powerful performance, great tilling width, and solid battery life. Number 2. TaskStar TU5000. Offers a great balance of power and versatility with a larger tilling width and a powerful brushless motor. Number 3. Man AJG-HS02. A good mid-range option, but slightly heavier with a smaller tilling width. Number 4. MZK ET1401. Lightweight and portable, but lacks power for heavy-duty tasks. Number 5. Earthwise Power Tools by Alloyman TC700201T. Best for small gardens, but lacks power and width for larger jobs. I hope this comparison helps you find the perfect cordless tiller for your gardening needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.